Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a camera-only video in Loom. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says New Video. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up Loom's recording options, giving you access to all the different types of recordings you can create within the platform. Once you click that, you'll see several recording options appear. From these options, click on Record a Video. This is the option you'll need to select whenever you want to create any kind of video content using Loom, whether it's a screen recording, a camera recording, or a combination of both. Now you'll notice the recording interface has opened up with various settings you can adjust. Look for the first drop-down menu at the top of this interface. Click on it to reveal the different recording modes available. By default, Loom might be set to screen and camera or screen only, but you want to change this to fit your needs. From the drop-down menu that appears, select camera only. This setting tells Loom that you only want to record yourself using your webcam, without capturing any screen content. This is perfect for creating personal messages, video introductions, or any content where you want the focus entirely on you speaking directly to the camera. With your recording mode now set to camera only, you're ready to begin. Click the Start Recording button. Loom will typically give you a brief countdown before it begins capturing your video, so you have a moment to prepare yourself and get ready to speak. And that's it. You've successfully set up and started a camera-only recording in Loom, allowing you to create personal, face-to-face style videos without any screen content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.